Ayan, making bahay kubo. Kita nyo ang aming bahay kubo, look. Mula siya sa cabinet. Ayan, bumili kami ng cabinet sa second-hand market. Look, ayan yung back niya na tinakpan namin. It's just a cabinet craft actually, and we will make a bahay kubo out of this cabinet. Thank you so much, Jaime and Matthew, for helping us. Our dream come true to have a bahay kubo in our restaurant and supermarket and sari-sari store pala. O ayan o, hirap na hirap silang gumawa ng bahay kubo. Pero almost ready na si aming bahay kubo. Ayan, ang galing ng poging mag-ama. Kita nyo, ganyan lang gumawa ng bahay kubo. Diba? Ayan, ready yung bahay kubo. Look, ano muna kami, kakain muna. Nagutom, lunch muna. Kakain muna ng lunch. Then continue, ayan, nakita nyo. Lunch time, ready na si bahay kubo. Ganun kadali, parang 5 minutes scrap lang. Now they are making actually light fall. Yung fall ng aming mga light para sa kainan. Then, ayan, nagutom. Sushi night kami ngayon. So, try namin. Kami muna yung first customer. So, all day natapos na namin to. Ako, grabe. Thank you so much talaga, Jaime at Matthew. Sa ang bilis-bilis, diba? Kaya, deserve namin ang mag-sushi. Sushi night. Late na rin kaming kumain actually ng dinner. It's 9:30. Yung aming lunch kanina ay 3:30. So, thank you so much again. It's Makalik. Yummy, yummy, yummy sushi. Thank you, Rika, for the sushi treat. Look, it's super duper yummy. Pero actually, hindi to yung tinda namin. Umorder lang kami sa labas. We're Filipino snack bar. Oh, diba? Thank you, Matthew. Thank you so much, Jamie, Jaime, and Matthew. Thank you so much. Ayan. Thank you for this beautiful bahay kubo. Look at our bahay kubo. Ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda na ng bahay kubo namin. So, this is our counter actually for the casa of our toko and snack bar. So, it's almost ready, May 11. It's our grand opening. Come and join us.